Hello, my name is Stewart. I'm a landscaper trained by a golf course superintendent for the care of Western Washington lawns. And today I'm out in the MillCreek area here. And this is a lawn, definitely some drainage issues here. And what I have done here is I've just aerated, seeded, fertilized this. I put on my enhanced limestone and a bag of soil amendment. My golf course quality seed. And this isn't the best lighting conditions right now, and it's been cold. It's been a cold spring, and the weather's just breaking now, and I can finally get in to work on this property here. And so I'm going to come back in about a month's time and see how this lawn is doing. But you can just see the deep ruts in here. Some of these deep ruts are from machinery running over the property here, and actually a lot of the deep ruts are. So I put on my soil amendment here. I'm just going to try to repair this soil and the lawn to the very best of my ability here. And I'm going to come back in about a month's time and just take a look at it and see how this is doing. This is a beautiful backyard. I regularly work for this client, but it's just been cold and rainy this spring, and I've been getting some fantastic results finally. And so now I decided to come out here, accept this job, and do this work. Once again, this is Stewart with the Aerating and Thatching Company, and thank you for watching my video. Bye-bye. Hi, today is June 18th, and I originally worked on this lawn on May 21st. It's still got a few bare spots here going on, but it's really changed the color and really started to fill in now. And this lawn, it just rained, so this lawn's pretty wet right now. The lawn mowing people have not been able to get in here, cut the lawn in the last week or so. But I just wanted to show you the work that I've done. This is a yard that I aerated, seeded, fertilized. I put some lime on here and some soil amendment. Once again, this is Stewart with the Aerating and Thatching Company, LawnTuneUps.com. Thanks for watching my video. Bye-bye.